We're preparing our fall garden. We removed some of the cages and my husband is tilling the garden right now. We still have some vegetables left growing. We have peppers, that's peppers, and we have bittermelon and a few okra. And we still have I planted another patch of sweet potatoes just for leaves. So that's sweet potatoes. And over there, that's where our sweet potatoes are. So we're gonna harvest them soon. So there's not much growing. And we do have over there, there's loofah and chayote growing. So this is our garden and we're preparing to plant clover. So we're going to till this area here and we're gonna plant clover.